What if the next intelligence explosion isn't about one mind, but trillions of them? And what if it already started? Well, a recent paper from Google researchers proposes that the future of AI is social, not singular, requiring us to design societies of intelligent agents rather than a single monolithic god. Getting this framing wrong means we waste billions on the wrong scaling strategies, build fragile systems, and fail at governance by trying to align an individual that actually doesn't exist. So, to shed more light on this, I will cover in this video first why every past intelligence explosion in history was social, not individual. Second, how frontier LLMs are already created internal societies of thought. And third, what does it mean for us designing and governing a next generation of AI systems. And by the end of this video, you will see AI not as a single brain to be built, but as a social system to be designed. So let's dive in. The social blueprint of intelligence. Well, to see where we are going, we have to understand where intelligence comes from. What history shows us is that major leaps in intelligence are always social. They are not upgrades to individual hardware. The intelligence of our ancestors didn't scale because of a, more harsh environment. It scaled with the size of the social group. Then came human language. Language created what is called the cultural ratchet. Knowledge could finally accumulate across generations. No single person had to rediscover everything from scratch. And this was a massive intelligence explosion. Writing and bureaucracy were the next leap, as you know. They externalized our social intelligence into infrastructure. For example, a Sumerian scribe from 4,000 years ago running a grain accounting system, he didn't understand the microeconomics function of the entire state. But the system he was part of, it did. The institution itself was functionally more intelligent than any individual within it. AI is simply the next step in this sequence. Large language models are trained on the accumulated output of human social cognition. The internet. They are our cultural ratchet, made computationally active. What we are putting into silicon is not abstract logic. It is social intelligence externalized on a new substrate, the society inside the machine. And this social principle doesn't just apply to history. It is happening inside our most advanced models right now. And this is the key point in this paper. Frontier reasoning models like DeepSeek don't just get smarter by thinking longer. These models spontaneously simulate complex, multi-agentic-like interactions. They create what the paper calls a society of thought. Internally, the model generates this distinct cognitive perspective. They argue with each other. They question assumptions, verify facts, and reconcile differences. It is a committee meeting happening inside the silicon. Imagine asking it a logic puzzle. Internally, one process might propose an answer, a second might act as a skeptic to challenge assumptions, and a third could verify the logical steps. And this conversational structure is the direct cause of their improved accuracy on hard reasoning tasks. This is an emerging behavior. No one trained the models to do this. And when engineers use reinforcement learning to reward the model only for getting the right answer, the model spontaneously learns that the best way to do that was to foster an internal multi-perspective debate. Through pure optimization, the AI discovered what cognitive science has known for decades, is that the robust reasoning is a social process. And this has massive implications for how we scale AI, because it proves our entire mental model of an LLM is actually wrong, from bigger models to richer societies. So if intelligence is social and even our models think socially, what does that mean for us as engineers? Well, it means we have been focused on the wrong goal. The path to more powerful AI is not building a single colossal kind of oracle. It is composing richer social systems. And these systems will be hybrid. This completely reframes AI alignment. The dominant paradigm, reinforcement learning from human feedback, is like a parent correcting a child. It is dyadic, but it doesn't scale. So the social intelligence perspective suggests an alternative, institutional alignment. Because if you think about it, human societies don't rely on every individual being perfectly virtuous. We rely on institutions, courtrooms, markets, governments, These are defined by roles, rules, and checks and balances. In a courtroom, for example, the identity of the person in the judge slot matters less than the ability to follow the protocol of that role. And this could be the future of AI safety. We need to build digital equivalents. Imagine a government AI whose sole purpose is to audit corporate hiring algorithms for bias, for example. Or a judicial branch AI has evaluated whether a police department risk assessment AI meets constitutional standards. In other words, power must check power, and no single concentration of intelligence, human or artificial, should be allowed to regulate itself. So let's bring all this together. We started with the common myth of the solo godlike singularity. We saw that in human history, intelligence explosions are always social, just like the Sumerian scribe contributing to a system smarter than himself. We then discovered that our most advanced AI models are not single minds, but are already hosting internal societies of thought. And this leads us to a powerful new paradigm for the future. Stop thinking about building a bigger brain, start thinking about designing a better society. And that is the first step toward designing social AI. And if this video shifted your perspective on AI, consider subscribing to this channel for more deep dive into bridging engineering and first principle thinking. Anyways, the intelligence explosion is here and we are all part of it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.